Come on in, welcome to my home. We're back for part 2 of my surprise. I didn't know I was going to be making this kind of video. Yes, so both of these videos, the one from last week and the one from this week, were filmed at a time when I could not get ingredients. And so what I had to do is I had to use up some of the things that I had, and this comes from one of them. Now, if you haven't seen my making whipped cream video, hit that card. It'll take you to the day where I make the whipped cream. It's so easy to do. I mean, super easy to do. But now we're going to do something extra special. We're going to do flavored whipped cream. These are really easy. I'm going to take my ingredients, or take my equipment out of the freezer. And yes, I did put everything into the freezer because it needs to be really cold. All the ingredients are listed down below. Alright, first thing we are going to start off with, of course, is our whipping cream. We'll get that going. Then I'm going to add my powdered sugar and ground cinnamon. We're going to stop for a second to give it a scrape. Then back. Alright, it is all done. I'm going to give our cinnamon whipped cream a taste. That is really good. That is really good. That would taste so good on like pumpkin pie, chocolate pie. It would taste really good in coffee. This is a whipped cream that you can do all the time, but we're not going to stop with just this. As promised, we're not going to just stop with cinnamon whipped cream. Let me pull my equipment out and my ingredients. Now, as I said before, all the ingredients are listed down below. There we go. There. I can get that on there. And just like before, we're starting off with our whipping cream. It is beginning to get hot out here. Hot is never good for whipped cream. Now, what's interesting about this is you want to make sure that you mix these two in together. We have cocoa powder and powdered sugar. This one you are going to want to scrape every once in a while. Okay, before that gets too far, we do want to make sure that we scrape this. If you do not scrape this, it will not incorporate well. Ooh, you can smell the chocolate. That came out of the bowl quickly. Alright, and this is all made. Let's give our chocolate whipped cream a taste. Oh, that is nice. That is really nice. That would taste good on donuts. It would taste good on cake. You can take your whipped cream to a whole nother level just by making your own flavors. Now you're asking yourself, well, why would I make my own flavors? I can control all the ingredients. I can control the sweetness. It's just one of those things where it's just like, hey, this is really good, super easy to make. It didn't take more than, I would say, 4 minutes to make this, and it's all done. Really simple. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I hope that you try this because it really is worth it, and you can try a million different ingredients, like especially if you have like powders for elderberry or peach powders. You could make your own flavored whipped creams that way. So simple. Well, I hope you take a look at these other videos I picked out just for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.